Hi guys, welcome to another video from paintandhardware.com. This is Namit Bulani, an ENC engineer by qualification and a tradesman by profession. We trade in construction materials in Bangalore. We have a store in Rajajinagar on Modi Hospital Road. Construction materials like paints, hardware, tools. So today we are here with a Allen key set from Stanley, which is a folding type Allen key set. You say what's unique about this set is you can fold up everything like so and just put it in your pocket, and you won't lose any of the keys. You won't have any keys sticking out and getting caught up in your bag or in your pocket. So it's a really nice handy tool. These Allen keys are made up of good grade carbon steel, so they will not wear out very easily. The tips are all quite tempered and convenient to use. You can either use it in a L shape or you could keep it straight and you can use it in a straight configuration. This Allen key set also has nice rubber grip for ergonomic grip, so it doesn't actually feel plastic on your hand. You can use this tool really conveniently. Very useful for people who keep losing Allen keys. 2mm, 3mm Allen keys, the small ones, really difficult to keep a track of them. But with this tool, you can definitely have everything in one place and find them when you want them. So this is the folding Allen key set from Stanley, another nice tool from Stanley, and I highly recommend it for any professionals for use. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep watching our other videos too. We have a lot of nice informative videos on tools, paints, hardware, any construction related products. So do give us a like and a subscribe. Thanks. See you again.